these are some of the changes I made to the platform and how they are beneficial to students, and how it enhances the application. So let us review. Let's look at the first thing here in paper 1. I've been working on paper 1 and refining paper 1 a lot. So here in paper 1, recent attempts, normally it would round down or round up. So this would become 29 instead of 29.2. I ensure that I have the exact grades that the students got. So this improvement, will make it fair for everyone, for them to see their grades and how long they took to complete that attempt, right? What I've also done is, remember, there were topics and you were only able to select your topics. However, now I enable it such that you can select different subtopics as well, because algebra is very broad. Normally, or sometimes you would want to say focus on fractions only, simple linear equations, because you already know quadratic functions and number line, right? So instead of just filtering by the topic in itself, I allow you to filter by subtopics so you can practice the areas that you are weak in. And this is a very good feature for students to help them study and refine those weak areas, right? That's one change I have made as well that I am very proud of. Also, when you start the exam, I don't think I made any changes here necessarily. Think here, okay, yes I did. Here I just kind of made this text bold, because before it was kind of hard to see, so I kind of make the context bold. So some basic changes which kind of enhance the application. What else I have done? Let's go back here. Once we go in review, say we are reviewing a specific exam, I made these gray, these buttons here gray. I also made this one gray as well, but I decided to change it back because sometimes it looks too distracting, too many colors, because this would be a different color, this would be a blue color, so it's too distracting. So I kind of changed it to be gray, and this one we keep the color whether your answer is incorrect or whether your answer is correct. Yeah, so that's one other change I made as well. Here as well, where you see the percentage, before it would be 29, so I ensure that you see the correct percentage as well. Here as well, this was an error here that I fixed. It should no longer show 0 minutes 0 seconds whenever you do a new attempt. All right, let's see what else. Show explanation. This was done before. Let's see. So let me see. And what I also did was ensured I kind of went through, as you see right now, there are only one subject in this app right now. All of the other subjects I unapprove them because I'm doing it one at a time. I am approving them one at a time, going over the questions again, ensuring that all the questions are correct, the answers are correct, the explanations are good and simple and easy to understand for students. Right now I am a one-man army, so a lot of this work is on me in terms of development, testing, right, and actually adding these questions into the database, having original questions, ensuring that these questions are correct, these answers are correct, and the explanations make sense, right? This is one of the other changes I made as well. This one, when we were doing the competitions, I noticed that the context, this here, was missing, so I ensured that I include the context again, and the image was missing as well, so I ensured that I included the image as well. So a few things I have changed to ensure that the application is working throughout, and that even some small changes can make the app better, can make a big difference for students, right? So yeah, and I think my goal moving forward is just to work on the questions, ensuring that these questions are up to par, that students can practice and get the value that they need out of this application. Thank you for watching.